guys, welcome back to my channel. I really hope you're all doing well. So in this video I'm gonna share with you guys my mini Ajio haul, only because you guys wanted to see more hauls and I just needed a reason to shop. That's why this video. So yeah, I'm gonna share with you guys what I got from Ajio. It's not too much, just something, whatever I got, I'm just gonna share with you guys. Also, for the makeup look, you'll have to go to my Instagram. This is my Instagram. Make sure you follow me there. Make sure you check this look out. And also, before starting this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so the first thing that I'm gonna share with you guys is the top that I'm wearing. It's the beautiful black spaghetti top. It has very beautiful, very thin straps, and I really like wearing these kind of tops. If you know me at all, you know I only wear strappy tops, cami tops, and black all the time. So yeah, this is what I got. It was just perfect for me. So this is what I got. I'm gonna share the clip with you guys and you guys can see how beautiful this looks. It also has a very beautiful bag, so you guys can see. Talking about the material is really good. It's soft and it is worth the price that you pay, honestly, and I really like it. It's very beautiful. You can dress it up, dress it down. You can do so much with tops like these, so I really like it. And yeah, that's the first thing. All right, so the next thing that I got is this beautiful dress. Now this one is in the size medium, but it obviously, as you can see, is very loose for me, but I don't mind it. That's what the style is of this dress. And it also has this belt or slash dory kind of a thing that you can cinch it up on your waist and make it adjustable, according to your size. This is really pretty. The color is something I would never usually go for, but for this particular dress I've thought this was really cute, and the embroidery also looks nice. It's done very neatly, and I think it's really good. Alright, so the next thing is something that I really wanted to buy from a long time, and it's a wardrobe staple, honestly, and I'm ashamed I didn't have it. So this is a plain white shirt. I mean, everyone should have a plain button down shirt, and I didn't have it. So this is what this looks like. It's not really plain. It has this a little bit of this is what the fabric looks like. If you could see, it has like a self print thing, and but I wanted to buy it in a larger size, and I wanted to buy an oversized shirt, but this is way too big on me. Like, this is way too big and it doesn't look nice on me, and so that's why I'm gonna maybe exchange it or return it and get something else. But I like the quality, I like the fabric, everything looks really good, but when I wear it, it kind of looks very formal on me. So I think I'm gonna get it into some other material, or maybe try some other white shirt, but I'm definitely gonna get one. So this is what it looks like. This one, I didn't tell you, is the size XL. Now I wanted to buy L, but that was out of stock at that time, and this is what XL looks like. For this particular haul, I mostly got shirts, which is very unlike me because I don't really wear shirts, and in my mom's word, मैं पूरे कपड़े तो पहनती ही नहीं हूँ. So this is very unlike me. But this is what the next shirt looks like. I think this is really cute. Obviously this is also loose on me. I wanted to buy oversized shirts only, but this one is in the size this is in the size M, but this is like decently sized for me. I think it's not too loose, it's not too tight for me, and I don't like wearing tight shirts. Alright, so moving on to the next shirt that I got is this one. This is a very pretty white shirt with polka dots. Now obviously this is also oversized for me, and I really like it. I'm not gonna return this one. This is very oversized, but I can think of a lot of ways that I'm gonna wear this, and I'm gonna do a video for this. So make sure you follow me on Instagram so that you have the chance to look at that. So yeah, this is what the shirt looks like. The fabric is very nice. It's breathable. All right, so the next thing is this beautiful mini skirt that I got. Now this is a very it looks like a very chatak color, and this is not something that I wear, honestly, but I'm experimenting with my clothes a lot these days, and I think this is really cute, especially for Instagram. Like, I'm definitely gonna wear it out if I go, and this is a really cute for Instagram, and it makes for a very good OTT picture. So yeah, I got it for that, and this is really nice. The fabric is not that great, but I think it's not bad either. Like, I like it for the price that you pay. It's really good. Now this has a little bit of frill going on, and it has zip at the back. I am in the size medium, and this fits me perfectly. It's a little loose for me, and I like it like that. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I think this is really beautiful. Right, so the last thing is this t-shirt that I got, and I cannot find it right now, so I'm just gonna insert a try on clip so you can see. This is a very beautiful t-shirt. It has a very cool, nice vibe. I like the color. I didn't have something like this in my wardrobe. It's good for a, you know, a casual day out, or if you just want to chill at home. You know, I like the tie-up detailing that it has. So yeah, nothing to talk about. It's a very comfortable, nice t-shirt, and yeah, this is also the cheapest t-shirt that I got in this haul. So yeah, definitely check this out. It was really nice. Alright guys, so that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Also comment below, tell me if you guys want me to do more of these. Also follow me on my Instagram so that you don't miss out on all the makeup and fashion content that I do on Instagram. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video on Monday. I love you guys so much. Bye.